it's Akko with WTI, and check out these awesome 12 by 12 gold vinyl sheets by Craftables. These sheets have helped me make some beautiful projects. I love that I could use this on a variety of surfaces, paper, plastic, even wall art. The color is really pretty as well. It's not high gloss, but has a gloss to it, and it is a gold color. I use this with my Cricut to make any type of design, and it works really, really well. I have no problems with it with my Cricut machine. I like the fact that this is very durable as well, that this is waterproof and it has rated for 6-year outdoor durability, which is pretty amazing. It's very easy to weed. There's no problems. I have not had any problems whatsoever using this with it ripping or anything like that. It comes 10 sheets per package and they're 12 by 12 sheets. It works really well with transfer tape, easy to apply to the transfer tape, but then when you go to remove the transfer tape, this vinyl does not stick to the transfer, so it sticks on the project, which is really nice. It has really added a lot of class and elegance to my projects. I think this is really quality vinyl, and I love how my projects have turned out. And that's my point of view.